Welcome back to your weekly dose of Aviation Unscripted. This Ryanair 737 from Edinburgh to Milan suffered a bird strike on the port engine, but continued safely to its destination. Watch this incredible DHC-3 Otter touch down on a snowy slope near Mount Denali. This Airbus A340-300 from X conducts a max thrust takeoff using the entire runway for rotation. This onboard view captured the inaugural arrival of the first non-stop international American Airlines service from the US to Dominica, completing its sector from Miami. This Lufthansa A340-300 undergoes de-icing at Munich to ensure aerodynamic integrity in cold weather. Watch this Air Canada A321-200 narrowly avoid a tailstrike while landing at YVR. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you next time.